Hi, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some ways that you can research your keywords to help your buyers find you easier on Amazon. Now, one thing to note is that Amazon is one of the largest search engines around. People go and search for items every day on Amazon. So you want to ensure that whenever they search for your book, they can find it. So one of the best ways to do that is to actually use Amazon itself to get your keywords. You want to go to Amazon and type in books for, and in our case, children's books. And Amazon will help you by populating other keywords that you can use. Now, I suggest that you search in a mode called incognito. You can find that on the right side of your screen, which I'll be sharing with you in a moment. And this allows you to search without Amazon knowing that it's actually you searching, so that they don't start recommending you the things, books that you're searching for. All right, so let's get into it. Let me share my screen. So this is the Amazon.com in incognito mode. And you can go here, the three dots, and search and change that. Okay. So now the first thing that we do is go here. I always recommend search. Usually it's on all departments, but I want it to be more specific and go to books. So we're looking for children's books. And as you can see here, Amazon started populating a lot of keywords that people are actually searching for. So they're searching for children's book, children's storybook, children's books ages 1 to 3, children's storybook. Let's continue the words here. Children's picture books, children's classics, stories, coloring book. So Amazon is actually showing you what people are searching for. So you can choose any one of these and start populating your Excel sheet with your keywords and phrases. So it doesn't have to only be keywords, but I would suggest that you use phrases, which it gives you a wider span, right? So children's picture books. So let's try something else. Books for, there you go. I haven't even completed it, right? And it's showing me books for kids 3 to 5, books for young adults. So all of these are keywords, right? Let's select one. And you can see here that this keyword, books for kids, is searched for over 70,000 times, right? Each week or each month or each day. This is a very popular keyword. So you're seeing Bluey here. Bluey is very popular for those of you who have kids. It's not just a book, but it's a TV series. Same for Pete the Cat. And you can look in the titles of these books and actually find keywords here, right? If you're talking about books about the beach, Pete the Cat at the beach, big book for silly jokes for kids. How to Catch a Dinosaur. If you're writing a book about dinosaur for kids, How to Catch a Mermaid, right? And you can look at your bestsellers. Now let's go back up here and see. Let's find storybooks for kids. Here we go. Tales and fables, short nursery rhymes. Another set of keywords here, right? detective mysteries, curious kids, books for curious kids, Christian coloring book for kids. These are all keywords. If you just think outside of the box, you can pick up on keywords right here and throughout, right? If you're looking at specific books, if you go to the left of your screen, you see book type, whether beginner book, board books, chapter books, picture books. Let's see picture books here and see what some of them are. So let's look at this big bestseller. You can even find keywords in the book description, right? Adventure, power of imagination. You know, these are some of the things that you can look for and find your keywords. You can also check out what the reviewers are saying and look at the words that they have put in their reviews. You know, good book, 3-year-old loves it. There you go, a book for 3-year-old. Colorful illustrations, love of reading, imagination again, books for elementary teachers. So there are tons of keywords here. If you're doing your research before, you can use your Excel sheet to populate what is your keywords. And then as soon as you are ready, you've launched your book and you've decided you're going to run some ads to get traction, just pull up your keywords and use them. So that is a quick way to find your keywords, right? Remember, we go to here and select books. It's easier than having all of these search words. And then you start putting in 1 or 2 words and then Amazon starts populating it for you. So that is a quick way to develop your keywords for your books to make your books more findable, more searchable, where your potential buyers and readers can find you easily. And the more they search for a particular keyword that's associated with their book, the more Amazon sends it out, right? So you want to ensure that you have the proper keywords, key phrases. Amazon is one of the biggest search engines out there. So use it up and ensure that you maximize your keywords. So if you've liked this video and all the videos, as usual, I ask you to like, hit the notification bell, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining.